This video is going to go into the process of mitosis, which is the production of somatic or body cells. Now remember that in somatic cells, we have a full complement of DNA, meaning that 46 chromosomes separated into 23 homologous pairs. So when we begin, we're going to start out with a single cell, and in this single cell, we're going to have 46 single-stranded chromosomes. Now, I'm only going to draw 4 of them just to make our lives a little bit easier here. But we're going to start out with 46 chromosomes. Now, through the process of DNA replication, the previous video that you watched, you now have 2 copies of each of these chromosomes. And you have those sister chromatids. Remember, they're hooked together. So if this is chromosome 1A, now you've got 2 copies of 1A, 2 copies of 1B, 2 copies of 2A, 2 copies of 2B, and all the way through until you have 2 copies of the X or the Y chromosomes, depending on male or female. So that's going to be our first step. So the first step of cell division, of mitosis, is that the DNA copies. Okay, first step. Second step is the cell is going to divide. And it's going to divide into 2 cells. So we're going to go to 1 and 2, cell 1 and cell 2. Now they would be the same size cells as the original parent cell. I just don't have enough room to draw them the same size. Now, as this moves, what's going to happen is these sister chromatids back here, they're going to split. So this copy of 1A goes to that cell, and this copy of 1A goes to this cell. So now we have a single 1A and a single 1A. Same thing's going to happen with 1B. This copy goes this way. This copy snakes around and goes back over here. So now we have a 1B and a 1B. Same's going to happen with the 2s, the 3s, the 4s, the 5s. All right, so we've got a 2A and a 2B, a 2A and a 2B. Now, these 2 cells are identical. Okay, these are what are called the daughter cells. Daughter cells. Okay, and they are identical to one another. They also have 46 chromosomes. Because when that DNA copied back here, we went from 46 chromosomes to 92 chromosomes. Okay, we increased, we doubled them. Then the cell divided, okay, and it split the sister chromatids. I'm just going to abbreviate those SC. Okay, so it split the sister chromatids, resulting in 2 identical cells with 46 chromosomes each, okay, that are also identical to this original parent cell that we started with. So literally making identical copies, going from 1 cell to 2, starting with 46 chromosomes, ending with 46 chromosomes. This is the process of mitosis. This is how your hair grows, your skin grows, your blood is made. All of your cells are manufactured using the process of mitosis, this process right here. And that's why it's really important that the new cells be identical to the original cell. The next video that you're going to watch will go into the process of meiosis, which again is the gamete formation. That's a little bit more complex than mitosis.